How to delete photos from Photoshop. This video will teach you how to delete your photos from Photoshop using Lightroom's catalog on a computer. If, however, you're looking to remove the list of recent items that appears on your Photoshop home screen, go to File, Open Recent, Clear Recent File List. How to delete photos from Photoshop. Below are some methods. Method 1. Open Lightroom. This computer app is bundled with the installation of Photoshop on your computer. Method 2. Click the image you want to remove. It will highlight to show that it's selected. Method 3. Click the photo menu. You'll see this above your photo grid or at the top of your screen. A menu will drop down. Method 4. Click Remove Photo from Catalog. This is near the bottom of the menu and will remove the thumbnail of the photo from Lightroom. If you want to remove the photo from your hard drive, you can delete it from your file manager or click Remove Photo and Delete from Disk. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like and share.